Yo, welcome to my channel. Today we have a challenge. In this corner we have OXI CLEAN. In this corner we have TUFF STUFF. We're going to see which one of these clean this seat better. Let's go. To make this challenge fair, I decided to use the brush that was on the OXI CLEAN on the TUFF STUFF. Oh wow, who do you think won? OXI CLEAN or was it TUFF STUFF? I don't know, look about even to me, but this is a fight, so I'm going to choose OXI CLEAN. Let me jump into this fight. I'm going to use my special mix that I use to clean seats. See what it does. I believe my special cleaner beats both of them. So the winner is me.